Can you start Amazon FBA with no money? The truth is, Amazon FBA is not a free business model. You need money for inventory, shipping, labeling, and Amazon's fees. So starting with completely zero money is very difficult. However, there are smart ways to get started with very low cost. One option is to begin with retail arbitrage. This means buying clearance or discounted products in small quantities and sending them to Amazon. Another method is online arbitrage, where you buy products online and resell them on Amazon for profit. You can also start with used books, which are cheap and still sell well. These methods require much less money than launching a full private label brand. Private label usually needs the most money, but it also gives you the biggest long-term growth. So, can you start FBA with no money? Not exactly, but you can start with a small amount and slowly grow your business over time. If you focus on research, small test orders, and reinvesting your profits, you can build a real Amazon business, even with a low budget. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online business tips.